Okay, we should be live. Yeah, we should. Okay. Hello everybody. It's currently the evening of August 31st, 2025. And we have some flash flooding and even a strong thunderstorm going just went through Enid right now. I listed it severe weather possible because we don't actually have severe weather going on right now, but there is still that possibility. But we do have some flash flood warnings, which is the main concern right now. One across Atoka, that's our newest. One in Pontotoc, and one in Pontotoc and Johnson counties. Now this one up here, this actually has not had a flash flooding threat with it. This is more a strong thunderstorm threat, about 0.5 inch hail and 40 miles per hour winds is the concern right now. But that might but it only has to go up a little bit just to become severe. Now, I don't really need to pay too much attention on this, but I just want to kind of briefly address that. You can see there's actually kind of a little bit of a area right there that's not rotating right now, but it's actually looking like it might start rotating. Also, we do have a storm in Kansas, which is actually heading south, and it's pretty much heading straight towards Forget and Beaver. For Beaver County, we'll watch that. But the main concern are the flash flood warnings. That basically made us go live. So you can see there's been this band that started up here in Potawatomi counties, in Seminole counties. That's where they started becoming a flash flooding concern. Then they started moving. The band continued moving south through Pauls Valley, through Ada. Okay. And now they're moved into southeastern and southern Oklahoma. So still areas to be looking out for these are Ardmore, Caddo, Durham, Boswell, Antlers, and Hugo. So these thunderstorms, let's look at what the SPC thinks about these. And today this was kind of expected with the yeah, you see as long as this blue line, there's been anywhere in this blue line, there's been, and in the darker green, there's been enough to produce flash flooding. So that was Coolgate, Atoka, Caddo, Durrett. Well, Caddo and Durrett and Boswell are still in the path. And even the heavy, even 1.5 inches possible in Alabama and Romeo as these thunderstorms continue pushing south. Now, some of these areas where you can see there is a little bit of pink popping up on the radar. These could become a special weather statement in the future. I don't know how to say that sound. We just got a new update coming in from the National Weather Service in Norman. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a strong thunderstorm will impact southwestern Garfield and northeastern Kingfisher counties. So Hennessy and Wakamas is the next areas in the path of this. They still put it at 0.5 inches of hail and 40 miles per hour winds. It stayed the same, but they just continue to push it in the southward direction. We might have some questions about the lightning right now, so let's turn that on. You can see there's just, it looks kind of unique. There's just this big band of lightning. And some new ones popping up now, but there's just this big band of lightning popping up. Over here in Kansas, they're just overlapping them. Nothing in Oklahoma quite yet, but it's getting really close. But back to what I was saying. Where were we? Oh yeah, we're down here. So basically, let me do a little bit of an example here. If you're anywhere from Ada down to the Red River, in between, hang on, I'll just do a circle. You have the chance of being in a flash flooding warning. Not mentioning that there could be some flash flooding over here, as there is a flash flood warning over there too. Hopefully my mic sounds good. Yeah, it sounds good. Okay. We've had some issues with my mic the past few days, and finally it's working again. Okay, at KINX, we do have some showers going through, Vincina, often heading towards Miami. Much or heavy rainfall will be possible in those areas. Even some more moderate to heavy rainfall near Bibsky and Broken Arrow and Tulsa. Actually, we just got a new flood advisory. Boom. And I'm just trying to find the new thing. I think it was this. Shoot, 1 hour ago. Boom. Shoot, 2 hours ago. I'm trying to find the new flood advisory. Yeah, this is it. The National Weather Service has issued a new flood advisory for Johnston County. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected across this area. You can see, like I mentioned, there is a big line of flash flooding. You can see the flood advisory left after. There is a flash flooding. You can see the flood. Okay. By the way, checking out our excessive rainfall outlooks themselves, you can see they're not quite actually predicting much flash flooding, but there still is that marginal. This is just a perfect example that flash flooding can happen at any time. One little thunderstorm that pops up, continues going for a while, it will produce flash flooding. You may notice a lot of these flash flood warnings, like the one for Ada, the one over 99 is they're basically, the storm is out of that area because they're continuing the flash flooding. They're continuing the flash flood warnings. There's still flash flood going on. So this is the overall view right now. Let's do a big explanation. Thunderstorm near Ein producing 0.5 inch hail. Oh. Thunderstorm near Choctaw Nation producing flash flooding. And rain showers near Miami. So that's all that's happening across Oklahoma right now. It's kind of calm, but still enough to spark the coverage. There's been thunderstorms, all day. But this is definitely one of the bigger periods we've had multiple flash flood warnings during the past. It's coming on 8:20. We continue to track these. Right now, it just passed Vance Air Force Base and just now right over Wacacomas. Basically, the more pink equals the harder heavy rain or the harder hail. So you might get a special weather state on the storm here, moving towards the Red River. Yeah. Okay. Something I want to point out. That thunderstorm now approaching Oklahoma, which is still in Kansas, is actually producing a lot of lightning. So there's definitely going to be This is definitely going to be a decent lightning storm. They don't label cloud to ground lightning, but there definitely is a lot of lightning in the clouds. Now I'm going to be taking a break from this, so I'll just put the big weather radar on the screen so you'll be able to see it. Let me do something real quick. Banners. Isaiah will be at 8:30 p.m. Okay, I'll be back at 8:30 p.m. Here's some music. Boom.